To fix GoDaddy cPanel not working. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. If your internet connection is unstable, try restarting your router or switching to a different network. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials, including your username and password. Double-check that your caps lock is turned off and that you are not using any incorrect characters. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password through the GoDaddy website. Another common issue is browser caching, which can cause problems with cPanel. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Then attempt to log in to cPanel again. You can also try using a different browser to see if the issue is browser-specific. If none of these steps resolve the issue, check the GoDaddy status page to see if there are any known outages or maintenance scheduled for your area. You can also try contacting GoDaddy support directly for assistance. In some cases, the issue may be related to your domain or hosting account. Check that your domain is properly configured and that your hosting account is active and paid up. You can do this by logging in to your GoDaddy account and checking the status of your domain and hosting account. Finally, if you are still having trouble, try using the GoDaddy cPanel login page directly, rather than going through the GoDaddy website. You can do this by typing your domain name followed by cPanel into your browser. This will take you directly to the cPanel login page, where you can enter your username and password. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue with your GoDaddy cPanel not working. Remember to always check the basics first, such as your internet connection and login credentials, before moving on to more complex troubleshooting steps.